Mr. Speaker, I must first apologize that I was summoned to another meeting in the middle of the SBC meeting, and therefore I didn't have an opportunity to raise this before the committee. Mr. Speaker, just like the Senate of Nairobi, I was truly waiting for the minister on the very important issue that opportunities for children to join the military are being sold for up to 300, 400,000. There's an old man in Kakamega by the name of Maurice Mate. Maurice Mate owns a bull worth 250,000. And he came to me and told me that, please, because I need 400,000, just give me the 400,000, my bull is worth 250, then you'll have helped me the difference. So I asked him, what is the problem? He said, I've been asked to go and buy a chance in the military. So we want the minister to clarify whether chances of going into the military are up for sale or it is on merit. And if it is on merit, what is that merit, Mr. Speaker? And finally, Mr. Speaker, children from upcountry who have spent all their time here in Nairobi. For all they care, some of them don't even speak their vernaculars. But their parents registered them in Bungoma, in Busia, to get ID cards. When they want to access recruitment here, they are told, go back to your home. And yet this child, the only thing that connects him to the so-called home is the ID. Why are these children being sent up country instead of being recruited from Nairobi, Mr. Speaker, where they were born, bred, went to school, and they have become adult, they only went home to pick the ID card? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.